Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, I'm the van guy. And I've got vans for you today. Coachmen Galleria 24A. Real exciting floor plan. Can't wait to show it to you. We're going to start here in the rear of the unit. It's twin bed floor plan. And as you can see, the driver's side headrest is in the up position. And that's accomplished by a switch in the back. You just push the button and you can lower it down and stop at whatever height that you want. Just above the TV set is the stereo system, all Bluetooth and all that snazzy stuff. And then below the TV is the control panel for the unit. In between the two beds, there's a little handle you pull on, and there's a laundry basket in there. And then if you come in from the top, that's where you put your clothes. Real nice, simple and easy, and keeps everything nice and neat. You notice in the back it's got a very large amount of storage, and there are lights in there too, so when you open it up, you'll be able to see everything in there. Moving forward on the driver's side, in front of the TV is a compressor, refrigerator, freezer. The freezer's on the bottom, and it's up high enough that's very convenient, so you don't have to stoop down. Forward from that, you'll see the shower and the toilet sink. It's seamless, so that cuts down on your maintenance. There's very few seams in there. Directly in front of that is another TV and a nice workstation. That when you turn the driver's chair around, it makes a nice workstation. It does have storage down below, and one nice feature, go clear at the bottom and pull the handle out. There is a pet tray for water and food, and then you just slide it closed out of the way. And then of course we're up at the cab, and 19 Mercedes chassis has the upgrades with the power seats. It's got the dash controls above your steering wheel, and also the controls on the right of the steering wheel at 3 o'clock run the monitor panel, which is a very large panel, and you can talk to it and tell it what station to turn it to, etc. Swinging over to the passenger side, of course, it has all the features that the driver's side does. Heated seats and power controls. Very nice upgrade. So we're going to come behind the passenger seat, and you've got the kitchen area, all solid surface countertops, convection microwave and induction cooking. Got a nice little spice rack, and then just behind that you've got a nice wardrobe area for storage. This does have a screen door on the side that you pull across. Keep bugs out and hopefully keep your pet in if in fact you do have one. All hardwood interior. It's very nice. It's got hush mat in the floor, which makes it very quiet ride going down the road. And on a 1-ton dually, it is a firm and quiet, comfortable ride. I want to thank you for spending time watching our video on this great product. If you have any questions, who are you going to call? Well, you call the van guy. If I don't know, I'll find out. Thanks again. Have a great day. And you can call me direct at 541-554-9581 or use the email that's on the screen.